In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add super trend in TradingView Pro. We'll walk through this step by step so that by the end, you'll have the super trend indicator added to your chart and ready to use in your own analysis. Even if you're fairly new to TradingView, don't worry, I'll keep everything clear and simple. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame you like. The process is exactly the same. Once your chart is visible, look towards the top of the screen for the Indicators button. This is usually found in the main toolbar above the chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where you can search for and add all kinds of tools, including Supertrend. When you click Indicators, a new window or panel will pop up. At the top of this panel, you'll see a search bar. This is where you can type in the names of indicators you want to use instead of scrolling through a long list. Make sure your cursor is active in that search box at the top. Now, in the search bar, start typing Supertrend. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results and show you matching indicators. You should see different versions, often under the built-ins or community scripts sections. Look for the standard Supertrend indicator that you want to apply. Once you see it in the list, simply click on it. The moment you do, TradingView will automatically add it to your chart. You'll notice lines and possibly color changes appear directly over your price action. That's the super trend indicator applied in real time. From here, you can hover over the name of the indicator on your chart and click on the settings icon if you want to adjust things like the period or multiplier, depending on your trading style. Take a moment to zoom in and out of the chart to see how the super trend reacts to price moves. If you're interested in unlocking more features, faster data, or additional indicators saved on your chart, consider upgrading to TradingView Pro. You can use the affiliate link in the video description to check out the Pro plan and see if it's a good fit for you and your trading workflow. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added the super trend indicator in TradingView Pro and you're ready to start incorporating it into your analysis.